Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks. Samsung is preparing to put the final fingerprints on the Galaxy S24 series of phones, which is scheduled to include 3 phones: the Galaxy S24, the Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will be announced at its annual conference next January 17, 2024. Without introductions, let's go! New leaks have appeared to us that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the fastest phone in the world of smartphones, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor provided by the international company Qualcomm. The leaks say that Samsung asked Qualcomm to equip the processor with the fastest speed that the processor can withstand and outperform all competing devices. Tests showed that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 operates at a speed of 3.3 GHz, as Samsung requested that the speed of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 be 3.4 GHz, and therefore it will be the fastest phone in the world. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra design. New leaks have appeared to us about the shape and design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as it appeared with a design similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but there is a difference in the size of the camera, as well as the frame of the phone, which will be made of titanium instead of aluminum, and the screen will also be completely flat and not with curved sides as in the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra. And the edges of the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen will be very thin, measuring 0.18 mm on all sides. The leak was published by IC Universe, and this leak is confirmed incorrect, and the models appear in the pictures, which are the thinnest edges in the world of smartphones. 2 processors will also be used in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which are the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the Exynos 2400 processor. The Exynos 2400 processor will be placed in some Asian countries and some European countries, and we do not yet fully know which countries will carry the Exynos 2400 processor. Write to us in the comments. Which countries will carry the Exynos 2400, and will it beat the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or not? In the next video, we will talk about the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra battery, as well as the giant camera, the colors of the Galaxy S24 Ultra phone, and a full video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra camera. This is the UNBOX SEBOX channel on YouTube. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and pressing the like button. And activate the bell button to receive all new updates about technology and smartphones. Don't go far, we will see you in the next video. Peace out.